Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today in your fifth standard, you study about only multiplication of and division of fractions are here. In your previous class, learn about only the fractions, types of fractions, and also addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, and also reducing form of fractions also here. The last one is only multiplication and division of fractions are here. How to multiplication of division of fractions are here. We study about only example number 1, only multiplication of fractions. First one is multiplication of fractions into whole number. For example, 3 by 7 into 3. The multiplication of fractions. The 3 is a fraction, you can take denominator is only 1 is there. Therefore, 3 3s are 9. Divides 7 is this is multiplication. Or otherwise, you can write in the simplest form. 9 by 7 is, you can take the mixed fraction 7 1 is 7, 2 by 7 is there. And also example number 2, only the multiplication of fractions into whole number. The next one is 11 by 13 into 2. 11 by 13 into 2 is what? Again 2 multiplications in the numerator. 11 2s are 22 divides 13. 22 by 13 is a one fractions. The answer is gets, no problem. Next you can write in your mixed fraction is what? 13 ones are 13. The next one is what? 9 divides 13. The next one is what? Example number 3. You can take any one number. Therefore, 1 by 7 into 11. What is the answer of this one? Therefore, 1 by 7 into 11 is 11 by 7 is your answer. Otherwise, in the mixed fractions, one integer 4 by 11. 4 by 11. These are multiplication of fractions into whole numbers. Next one is what? Multiplication of fractions into fractions. For example number 1. Example number 1. Multiplication of 3 by 7 into 1 by 2. 3 by 7 into 1 by 2. Therefore, in the multiplication, you can take the only numerator multiplication, denominator multiplication. 3 into 1 is 3. Therefore, denominator is what? 7 2s are 14. Answer is 3 by 14. What about next example 2? Example 2 is what? You can consider any fractions. 7 by 8 into 2 by 5 is 2 by 5. First of all, you can do multiplication of fractions. First, you can check if anyone cancellation is the cancellation. Which one is cancellation? One cancellation is that cancellation is what? 2 ones are, 2 4s are. In the numerator, in the denominator. Check if only cancellation. Next, multiplication. 7 ones are 7 divides 4 5s are 20. Answer is 7 by 20 is your answer. Or otherwise, you can take directly, or otherwise 7 by 8. 7 by 8 into 2 by 5. You can take directly in the numerator multiplications. 7 2s are 14 by 8 5s are 40 is equal to. Now you can cancellation. 2 7s are 2 20s are 7 by 20 is answer. 7 by 20 is answer. Okay, you can choose any one. Next example 3. Again you can take multiplication of fractions. 11 by 13 into 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Again numerator multiplication, denominator multiplication. 11 2s are 22 divides 33s are 39. This is your answer. Okay, this like only the multiplication of fractions are here. And also, you know about the only reciprocal of fractions. What are the reciprocal of fractions are here? The next one is what? Only reciprocal of fractions. Reciprocal of fractions is this like is the only reciprocal of fractions. Reciprocal fractions. What are the reciprocal of fractions? Example number 1. Reciprocal of 1 by 3. This reciprocal of 1 by 3 is what? Very easy. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is only 3 by 1. Next one is what? Second one. Reciprocal of 2 by 3. This reciprocal is what? 3 by 2. That is the reverse order. That is reciprocal. Next example 3. Therefore 4 by 5. This reciprocal is 5 by 4. The reverse order. That is reciprocal. Next example 4. Therefore reciprocal of 5 by 11. This reciprocal is what? 11 by 5. These all are reciprocal. Reciprocal is the reverse order of the given fractions. The next one is what? Division is the division. The next one division. You can take division, some examples on divisions. Therefore, example number 1 divides 3 by 8 divides 2 by 5. Okay, this is most important. Divides 3 by 8 divides 2 by 5 is the. This is very important. First term is what? 3 by 8 same as it is. In the second term you can change the sign. Divide sign is there, you can take into. When you can change the divide sign into sign, you can take the reverse order of this one, or reciprocal of 2 by 5. Therefore, that is reverse order is 5 by 2. Therefore, these two product is what? 3 5s are 15 divides 8 to the 16. Answer is 15 by 16 is your first question. Example number 2. Therefore, again you can take 5 by 6 divides 2 by 3. The question is what? 5 divides 6. 5 by 6 divides 2 by 3 is the. Our division method is same as it is in the first term. First term is same as it is. Next, you can change the divide sign into sign. The reciprocal of this one is what? 3 by 2 is the. Next, you can take the transpose method. You can take the cancellation. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Therefore, 5 into 1 is only 5 divides 2 2s are 4. The answer is 5 by 4. You can write in the mixed fractions. 4 1s are 4. 1 by 4. Answer is only one integer. 1 by 4. What about next one question? Or otherwise, example number 3. Division with whole number. 3 by 4 divides 3 only. 3 by 4 divides 3. Therefore, first term is same as it is 3 by 4. You can change the division sign. Only 3 is the. 3 in the fraction denominator is only 1 is the, that is constant. Next 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. Next cancellation. 3 3 cancellation. Therefore, 1 by 4 is your answer. 1 by 4 is answer. What about next example number 4? Example number 4 is as it is. Therefore, 11 by 13 divides 26 by 39. 26 by 39 is the. Therefore, simplification only. The first term is same as it is. 11 by 13 into 39 by 26. Next cancellation. Cancellation is what? 13 1s are 13 3s are. Again multiplication in the numerator. 11 3s are 33 divides 1 into 26 is 26. Therefore, answer is 33 divides 26. You can write in the mixed fractions. 26 1s are 26. Remaining is 7 by 26. This is your answer. Next, some questions in your division. Therefore, example number 5. 5 by 7 divides 3. Divides 3. Only 3 number is there. Therefore, first term is same as it is. 5 by 7 into 1 by 3. Therefore, numerator 5 into 1 is 5 divides 7 3s are 21 is the answer. The next question is different is the example number 6. Therefore, 5 divides 1 by 2. 5 divides 1 by 2 is the. Therefore, the first term is same as it is 5 into 2 by 1. Therefore, 10 by only 1. Answer is only 10 by 1. Otherwise, 10 directly. These types of division of fractions are here. These types of division of fractions are here. You can practice more example in your homework. The division of fractions, multiplication of fractions, and also reciprocal of fractions. Got it? I shall continue next class.